Ashley here with HeartHookHome.com, and today we are going to learn how to crochet the half double crochet. This is a very popular crochet stitch. It is one of the beginner stitches and something that you will use a lot of if you are new to crochet. I've gone ahead here and crocheted a small chain that we will be working back into. For the half double crochet, you're always going to want to work into the second chain from the hook. So I'm going to count my first stitch and my second stitch. I'm going to work into this one here. To make a half double crochet, you want to yarn over, so take your hook and yarn over so that it's wrapped around your hook like this. You're going to insert your hook into that second chain. So insert, I like to go into the back bar. I'm going to rotate it just a little bit. You can go in, if it's easier for you when you're starting, you can go into just this first bar if you want. It's fine. Not a big deal. So here's number one, number two. I'm going to wrap my yarn and I'm going to insert into the back bar here. I'm going to wrap my yarn around my hook again and pull it through that loop I just went through. So now I have 3 loops on my hook. To complete the half double crochet, I'm going to yarn over again and pull it through all 3. Straight on through. Oops. Now we're going to yarn over. We're going to go into that next stitch right here. And we're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to yarn over and we're going to hook that yarn. We're going to pull it straight through that loop we just went into. And now that we've got our 3 loops on the hook again, we're going to yarn over and pull it through all 3. Now we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the next stitch, pull up that loop with your hook, just hook it and pull it right on through. Now that you've got your 3 again, we're going to yarn over and just pull it straight on through all 3 of those. We're going to yarn over, go into the next, pull up that loop, just yarn over, hook it, and pull it on up. Be careful not to pull too tightly as you're doing this, otherwise when you go back through, it'll be difficult to get your hook into those stitches. I understand that when you're first starting, it will be hard not to go too tight, so just be conscious of it, and it'll get better as you work. Got 2 more stitches here, 1, 2. I'm going to finish these, and then we will start a new row. All right, so here we have a cute little row of half double crochets, and it's adorable, right? I love this stitch. It's one of my favorite stitches. So to start another row, you are going to chain 1. So just wrap it, pull it through once. Now we're going to turn it so that we're looking at the back side. These holes here are your stitches where you're going to be placing your hook. So the first one is this one right here. This big hole. So we've already chained 1, we've turned so that we're looking at the back side. Now we're just going to do exactly what we were doing, but it gets easier because the chain, we're not working into the chain. So wrap your yarn around your hook, insert it into that first hole under both sides so that it looks like a V. Okay, now pull up that loop. You've got your 3 on the hook. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through those 3. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, hook your yarn and pull it on up, not too tightly. So you've got your 3 on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3. And this is all there is to the half double crochet. It does take some practice, but this is one of my favorite crochet stitches. You can use this from anything from blankets to cardigans to scarves. All sorts of things. Go to the end of the row. And that is how you make half double crochet.